What's up, y'all? Good morning. It's really hot in Denver right now.
You're good to go.
Okay, thank you. You too. Oh man, it is hot in Denver today. I had to go put my go connect my line. But yeah, I'm just picking up my load for Monday, and then I'm done for the weekend, so that's good. I had to connect my line, and I'm good to go. And I'm still figuring this part out. Let's see here, I'll be struggling a little bit. Is that it? I'm struggling real life over here. And I'm a newbie, so I give myself grace. No. And then they're a little bit bent too. Start here. There we go. Huh. Boom, shakalaka. Boom, shakalaka, laka, 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 blaka, laka, blaka, laka, blaka. Say. Oh man, I'm just kidding. Anyways, I did it. All right, I just gotta strap this up. It's gonna take me forever. So I gotta put those little orange protector thingies on it or whatever. And then strap it. And then I'm done. I'm gonna take this load back to the yard, and then I'm gonna be done for the weekend. So I don't know what I'm gonna do this weekend. I know I'm going to church tomorrow for sure, which I'm really excited about. It's always a good time. And then yeah, debating on what I'm gonna do with my life these next few weeks. I do know I need to do some TLC on my truck. It looks crazy, y'all. I know it's not a long time that I'll be in here, but the truck do look crazy. Like, I sleep on the top bunk, so I'm going to make the bottom bunk like a couch. I'm gonna make the bed or whatever and just throw some, like with a cute comforter and sheet set and whatever and all that, and then put some pillows on the bed like a couch, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna get some rugs. I gotta clean it. That's what I'm doing this weekend. I'm cleaning my truck and giving it some TLC. I gotta live here for another 2 to 3 months, so just get my stripes, you know. We good to go here. I'm hungry. I want something to eat, so if anybody want to come have breakfast with me, let me know. That'd be nice. Sounds good to me.